guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Louisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing this beautiful burgundy Christmas inspired makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please do not forget to hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. For this makeup look, we're going to be using the Burgundy palette Kyshadow by Kylie Cosmetics. Yes, we're going to be using the palette for the entire look. And for the first color, we're going to be using this one that you see here. It's called a Penny. We're going to be using a small fluffy brush to apply this all over the crease of our eyes. Just want to quickly jump in here and say welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. If you have any questions on the eyeshadow, the palette, other product, applications, so on and so forth, please do not hesitate to comment that down below and I will be sure to respond. For the second step, we're going to be using the burgundy color right in the center of the palette. We're going to be using a small rounded brush to apply this to the outer V or outer corner of the eyelid. Now here you see me drag it in just a little bit more, almost touching the center of the eyelid, and you'll see why in a minute, but either way, work it towards the center part. Here you see me using the back part of my falsies eyelashes case. Basically, it's just like cardstock paper. That's why I'm using it. You're welcome to use an envelope, a piece of paper if you fold it into like 3 for the level of thickness. But basically, I just use it to collect the fallout that may fall onto the cheeks of my face or onto my foundation. On to the next step. It is now time to blend. I say this in every makeup video actually. Blending is the most important part of any eyeshadow look because you do not want your makeup to look choppy, and in my case, some people like to blend things out at the very end. I blend things out as I add every color. So in this case, we're going to be blending out Burgundy and Penny together with a small rounded fluffy brush. The same one that I used actually to apply Penny. For the third color, I actually wanted to deepen the outer V of my eye, so I used the color Almond, which is just a soft brown, and I'm using another small rounded brush, but it's smaller than the one that we used for Burgundy, and I'm also applying this right over top of it on the outer V of the eye. I also pull it in just a little bit towards the center, but not too much. Next step, blend, blend, blend. Like I said, most important step, and in this case, I'm blending all 3 colors out together. Almond, Burgundy, and Penny. For the next step, we're going to be using one of my favorite colors on this palette right here. It is called Dubai. We're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this onto the main parts of the eyelid. So from the inner corner, a little bit past the center. I say here no setting spray is needed. The reason I say that is because you don't need setting spray onto the brush. Now, I personally fell in love with this color and I hope you guys do too. I mean, it's really beautiful, perfect for Christmas. We are almost done. For the next step, I decided to add again a bit more of the almond, but in this case, we're going to apply it to the lower lash line. So I'm applying the same colors that I did on the top, at least the last 2, to the bottom. So first we're applying almond using the same small rounded brush that we had used previously, just the tip of the brush to apply it on. This is the last step. I'm using the same brush that I used, a small flat brush, to apply the color Dubai, but this time I'm using the tip of the brush as I show you here. And we're going to apply Dubai from the inner corner all the way until we reach the color Almond Same on the lower lash line. This is the final makeup look with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I hope you loved this makeup look as much as I enjoyed making this video and doing this look for you guys. Please do not hesitate to hit that like button down below. Please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. I'll see you guys next time. Happy holidays.